Okay, today we'll see homogeneous. There are two problems are there. Then we can start non-homogeneous. Give the solution for x into sine square y by x dx is equal to y dx minus x dy, which passes from 1 comma pi by 4. Solution: x sine square y by x dx is equal to y dx minus x dy, divide by dx. If you divide by dx, this dx will get cancelled, y minus dy by dx. So y is equal to, divide here, sir, bring this one this side, this one this side. What I mean by this, x into dy by dx is equal to y minus x square sin x. Okay, let y is equal to vx, v is equal to y by x, dy by dx is equal to v plus dv by dx into x. So I am not writing dy by dx now. I will change first vx minus y is equal to vx by x. Cancel x everywhere. Means dy by dx is equal to v minus sine square v. So x will get cancelled everywhere. Now dy by dx is replaced by v plus is equal to v minus sine square v. V will get cancelled. So dv by dx into x is equal to minus sine square v. Divide variable separable now. Is equal to dx by x. 1 by sine square is cosecant square with minus sign. dv is equal to 1 by x dx. Integration of cosecant square is minus cot x, so this will go cot v is equal to log x plus c. Now observe here, we are not going to put v value. What is the v? Y by x will not put, sir. Now he has given the point. Now what is the point? 1 gamma pi by 4. This is the x value, this is the v value. This is very important, sir. Why this problem has point has been given? So we will not substitute v. V is equal to what? Every time we are putting v is equal to y by x. We will not put this now. Okay, directly we will put the value of v and x value. What is the x value? 1. And what is the v value? Pi by 4. So what will happen? Cot pi by 4 is equal to log 1 plus c. Cot pi by 4 is 1, log 1 is 0. So what is the c value? 1. Therefore, the solution is cot v is equal to log x plus c. C value how much we got? 1. Now we put the v value is equal to log x plus 1. Observe here, for finding c value we will not put here v value, but after finding c value we put back again. So what is the answer? Cot of y by x is equal to log x plus 1. Okay, please note down. Next problem. Find the equation of the curve dy by dx is equal to y by x minus cos square y by x, which passes from 1 comma pi by 4. Solution. Okay. dy by dx is equal to y by x cos square x, y by x. Let y is equal to vx, v is equal to y by x, dy by dx is equal to v plus dv by dx into x. Now replace here. Now I can replace now. V plus dv by dx into x is equal to y by x. What is the y by x? V minus cos square v. Because y by x I can directly replace. Now v will get cancelled. dv by dx is equal to minus cos square v. Now variables separable. Same methods are. Is equal to dx by x with minus sign, because minus will come here. So put into 1 by sin cos square is secant square v dv dx. What is integration of this? Tan v is equal to log x plus c. Put again, what is the point? 1 comma pi by 4. This is the x value, this is the v value. Minus tan pi by 4 is equal to log 1 plus c. Tan pi by 4 is 1. So what is the c value? Minus 1. Therefore, solution. What is the solution here? Minus tan v. V is what? Y by x is equal to log x minus 1. Same problems are, only here there cot v has come, here tan v has come. Okay, these are homogeneous problems, sir. Okay, please go through homogeneous. Now we'll start non-homogeneous. There will be 3 models in that. Okay, we'll see that. Next. Now let us see non-homogeneous. What is a non-homogeneous? If it is in the form of ax plus by plus c by a dash x plus b dash y plus c dash, okay, then it is called non-homogeneous. Okay, first model. Okay, model 1. If b is equal to minus a dash, okay, and we have to solve this equation. What is the model 1? Okay, understand here, that is the model 1. Okay, I will do one problem, then you will understand. Okay, so this is the first model. Now I am just doing one problem. dy by dx is equal to okay, right? Now what is the a value? 3, b value minus 1, c is 7. What is a dash? 1, b dash minus 7, and what is c dash? Minus 3. Observe here, this is minus 1, this is plus 1. So what is the condition? First one, b dash, b is equal to minus a dash. Why? Here b is minus 1, a dash is plus 1. So b is a minus a dash. Once you get this, you have to observe this. It is model 1. Now how to solve? Just simply cross multiply. So x minus 3y minus 3 dy is equal to dx. Okay, open the bracket. Is equal to, okay, always you get like this only. Now bring the term this side. Is equal to 0. Now I am putting a circle here. So I am writing this x dy plus y dx. Always you get like this. Always ఈ మోడల్లో కంపల్సరీ ఇలా వస్తుంది సార్. ఎక్స్ డివై ప్లస్ వై డిఎక్స్ ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది. ఓకే, దెన్ మైనస్ 7dy minus 3x dx minus dx is equal to 0. Now I will put an integration symbol. Minus 7 into y dy minus 3 into 1 dy minus 1 into dx is equal to 0. Always, so this is always given as xy. Okay, integration of x dy plus y dx, you have to remember this. What is that? It is xy. Always, the first term will be always xy. Okay, right? Then here, minus y derivative integration is y square by 2. Minus 1 derivative y integration y. Minus 3x square by 2 minus 7x is equal to c. So always you get this. What is that? X dy plus y dx. This is always. Okay, please go through. So here you have to write a b c, a dash b dash c dash, then always b is equal to minus a dash will come. That is a model 1. Please note down this. Next problem. Okay, again a is minus 3, b is minus 2, c is equal to 5. What is a dash? 2, b dash 3, c dash 5. Again b is equal to minus a dash. Here minus 2 is there, here plus 2 is there. So it is a model 1. Right? Cross multiplication. Dx, open the bracket, 2x dy plus 3 dy plus 5 dy. Okay, simple cross multiplication. Bring the term this side. Plus zero. Again, observe this, so I have underlined this. So 2 common, x dy plus y dx, 5y dy plus 3x dx minus 5 dx is equal to 0. Now put an integration symbol. X dy plus y dx plus 3 into y dy plus 3 into x dx is equal to 0. Integration of 0. Okay. If you don't write also, nothing will happen. So again this is xy plus 3y square by 2 plus 5y minus plus 3x square by 2 minus 5x is equal to 6. Always you get the same model, sir. Okay, please note down. Next problem. Okay, again first we put the negative sign inside, plus 9 by Okay, what is the A value? B is minus 5, C is 9. A dash is 5, B dash is 2, C dash is minus 4. Again, B is equal to minus A dash. Minus 5 plus 5. So, model 1. Right? Cross multiply. 5x plus 2y minus 4 into dy is equal to minus 12x minus 5y plus 9 dx. Open the bracket. 5 dy plus 2 into dy is equal to dx 5 dy right, minus 5y dy, next one plus 9 dx. Bring the term this side. Plus 12x dx plus 5y dy, sorry dx minus 9 dx is equal to 0. Again, I am underlining this show. So 5 common, x dy, y dx plus 2 into y dy, 4 dy plus 12x dx minus 9 dx is equal to 0. Now put a integration symbol. Plus 2 into so again this is nothing but xy plus 2 into y square by 2 right. So here same model sir. So as many problems you can try these 2 problems sir. I am giving you can practice these 2 problems. Please try sir. Same method. 5 second problem. Don't do this. dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 5 plus 1 by x plus 2y minus 3. Next one. Minus 3x minus 2y plus 5 by 2x plus 3y minus 5. Okay, you can practice these 2 sir. Non-homogeneous first model is over sir. Okay, these are very simple problem. Sometimes he can give you for just 2 marks sir, or he can give you for 4 marks. Okay, non-homogeneous model 1 we have completed. Next we will see in the next video non-homogeneous model 2, model 3. Okay, 3 models will be there. Okay, then linear equations will be there, order and degree will be there. With that we are going to complete the portion. Okay, right.